Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Just want to bring you an update of the Traxxas Rustler Nitro. This is one of the cars that got me back into RCing. So one day I believe I was on OfferUp, and I haven't seen remote control cars in years, and this had came across my screen, and it was for 60 bucks. I'm like, let me go get that. It came with the Traxxas 1.5, I end up getting rid of that motor. I end up going with a 2.5 and a 3.3. They both rip. But I had this car on the shelf. This is what got me back into RC cars, and I want to get it off the shelf. So I think it's been sitting on the shelf for about 2 years now. The only thing wrong with it is that it needs a motor. When I first got it, my brother went and got his Jado, and we was out right here in the back of my house racing, and I ended up breaking this whole front end off. Took me a little while to rebuild it, but in the meantime, while I was waiting for this part, I ended up getting a T-Max, and that's the one I turned electric. So this car got some memories right here. I won't get rid of it. It used to sit a little bit lower. I think it used to sit about right there. But I put some new shocks on there. A little nice. So what I need right now, I'm trying to figure out what motor to put in here. Excuse all this right here. This is how I fit the 3.3 in here because the car was hitting. But I'm trying to figure out what motor to put in here. I got a receiver. The nitro's coming. I'm trying to get all my nitros running right. I don't have no spare motors for this. I got a 3.3 motor, but it needs to be rebuilt. So I'm just thinking what to put in here. So that's basically where the motor sits. This is the older Nitro Sport, I believe. It's a Traxxas Rustler, but it's the older version. So see, it got like the white plastic cups on there. Yeah, this car's been good to me. I ain't got no problems with it. You know, I also got I'm gonna see how it rides because I had these same front tires in the rear, and they ate out pretty bad. I still have them too, but it's because of the offset. So I put some wheel extensions in there, and I never really got to drive it with them on both sides. So I made it wider. So I want to see how it drives now. It did pop willies with the 3.3 and the 2.5, sometimes with the 1.5. But next step is to get some nitro. Definitely need to get a motor, and then go from there. You know, that's Phillip heads. And you see the way the arms are? That's what those the camber off. So I had a few questions on why I didn't run this no more, so I wanted to do a video on this. Also, I just did some upgrades to the Savage. I'll probably even show it in this video or in another video. But just trying to figure out what motor to go in here with. I think I might be able to get a 2-speed up here. I'm not sure yet, so yeah, I'll stay tuned for that. I definitely will get this up and running very soon. I used to jump it and everything. It's only 2-wheel drive, as y'all know. So let me go ahead and spoiler alert and show y'all the Savage. All right, guys, this is the Savage. So this is not the this is the body that came with the other Savage I bought. I just run it on. Just put it up here for now. I need a new body for this. Gotta look that up. But so far what I did to this, I probably said it in another video, but what I was having problems with was finding the rubber that goes here. So I ended up making my own. It was a fat one. I sanded it down and made it work. I'm gonna wait till it starts to see if it leaks. So I did put a bigger motor on there. I believe this is if I'm not mistaken, this might be the 5.2. I might be wrong, but I know it's bigger than this one. This is the one I took out of here. I believe, oh, this is a 25, and that's a 28. There we go. All right, so I didn't get a chance to run this or tune it yet because of it was leaking from here. I also went ahead and put a bigger pipe on there that went with that, and did the shocks. It sits a lot higher now. Definitely does. A lot of reaction. So I want to see if the 3-speed still changes right, because it has a lot more RPMs now. So we'll see if 3-speed changes right. And that's about it for this. Hopefully my hobby store wasn't open, but when you get open, I get some nitro and we'll get it back out running. And we'll see what motor we put in Rustler. So y'all stay tuned for that. Thanks for tuning in.